Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to create a beautiful circle hairstyle. First, gather your essential tools like a fine-tooth comb, hair ties, and bobby pins. Ensure your hair is clean and completely detangled before you begin. This preparation is crucial for achieving a smooth and polished look. We'll then move on to sectioning your hair precisely to form the perfect base for your circle. Now, let's prepare your hair for the circle. Using a rat tail comb, carefully create a perfect circular part on the crown of your head. Make sure this circle is centered for a balanced look. Gently clip away all the hair outside this circle to keep it out of the way. A small amount of styling cream or mousse will help smooth the hair and add a nice shine. It's time to craft the actual circle shape. Take the hair within your defined circle and smooth it upwards and outwards using a soft brush, removing any bumps. You can then gently twist or braid this section of hair, guiding it into your desired circular form. Once the shape is perfect, use bobby pins to securely fasten the ends underneath the main circle, hiding them from view. To finish your stunning circle hairstyle, apply a generous amount of stronghold hairspray to ensure it stays in place all day. Use a fine-tooth comb to gently smooth down any small flyaways for a polished finish. Feel free to add decorative pins or other accessories to personalize your look. Finally, check your reflection from all angles to confirm your circle is perfectly symmetrical and beautiful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.